If you've ever wanted to quickly sort files by name in Google Drive, this tutorial is going to make that super easy. Whether you're organizing documents, school files, work folders, or shared project materials, sorting by name helps you find things faster and keeps everything neat and consistent. In the next few moments, I'll show you the exact steps to do it in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser. Once you're inside, go to the folder you want to organize. That can be your My Drive folder or any specific folder you've already created. If you want to sort everything in one place, start from My Drive. If you only want to organize a certain category of files, open that folder instead. Now look toward the top right area of the Google Drive window. You should see the sort options. This is the control that lets you change how your files are displayed. Click on it and a list of sorting choices should appear. Depending on your view, you may see options like name, last modified, last opened by me, and more. For this tutorial, we want to sort by name, so go ahead and select name from the menu. As soon as you choose name, Google Drive will automatically reorder your files alphabetically. That means your files will now be sorted from A to Z, making it much easier to scan through your folders and locate items quickly. This is especially useful if you have lots of files with similar names or if you're trying to group related documents together. If you don't see the files change right away, just make sure you're in the correct folder and that the sort selection has been applied. In most cases, Google Drive updates instantly. You can use this same method in other folders as well, so if you manage multiple projects, you can repeat the process anytime you want a cleaner layout. A quick tip here: if your files aren't named in a consistent way, sorting by name may not always give you the organization you want. For example, if some files start with dates and others start with random titles, the order may look mixed. For the best results, use clear naming patterns like project names, dates, or numbers, so everything stays easy to browse. Another helpful thing to remember is that sorting only changes how the files are displayed. It does not rename anything and it does not move your files into a different location, so you can safely use it anytime you want to view your content in a more organized way without affecting the actual file structure. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can sort files by name in Google Drive and make your folders much easier to manage. It's a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time when you're working with a large number of documents. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.